Hello guys, let's talk about an offline business that you can easily do in any country, basically really in any country, and you don't need much to start it. It's quite easy to do, you don't need any special education, even no license. For example, if you live in the US or in the UK, Germany, or any country really, you can start a window cleaning business. So basically you might need a car because it's easier to move from house to house and also to transport your cleaning products. You might need like a long broom on a long stick that you will use to clean the windows. Basically use just the usual window cleaning products. You don't need to go like mega industrial about it. Keep it simple and do what my friend did in England. For example, you can start either from scratch or you can buy a business from someone. You can check local Facebook groups about businesses and a local community maybe that speaks your language and say that you are interested in buying a window cleaning business. You can buy it for about 1 year revenue. So for example, in England you do window cleaning in areas where there are family homes, houses where people have enough money to pay someone to clean their windows. They don't need to do it themselves. They prefer to save their time and enjoy it by doing something else than cleaning their windows. So they will pay you in the UK £20 or maybe 20, depending on the house, how many windows it has, but you should start somewhere £20 upwards, or 20, 30, 40, $50 depending on the house. So if you're somewhere in California, some nice neighborhoods, then you can even make $50 per house. And you buy this, you pay 1 year revenue and you get what my friend did. He got a run. It's called a run. So the guy who sold this business was already established and he was making maybe £3,000-4,000 every month from his window cleaning. So you can do your math. If you did £20-30 per house, how many houses that was per month and how many houses that was per every day. So he just drove his car around, cleaned the house, collected the money and continued to another house. He was self-employed, paid his taxes, and that was how it worked for him. And you can do the same in California or in Russia or in Germany or anywhere else. Make sure always when you wash the house, clean the windows. After, take a photo in your phone and keep it as a proof that you cleaned the windows, to avoid any problems with the owners if they will call you and say, hey, but there is a bird poop on my window. Then you say, well, I washed it, here is the photo, you can check. And this happened probably later. So the other option is to prepare some nice leaflets with your name, with your number, with photos of some clean windows, maybe house before, after, and print those leaflets nice in color and distribute them by hand in all these areas where you are willing to work. This always works, always. When you distribute it to people's mailboxes, and when you see people on the streets while you're walking and distributing, talk to them and say, hi, I'm Thomas, I am expanding my portfolio of houses, I wash windows, and have a leaflet and give me a call. I guarantee this will work. I guarantee this. It always works in any country. So that's an idea for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think in the comments. Share it with your friends, or just start. Just do it. Just go for it. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the share and subscription to my channel. Thank you.